Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stampin Stilettos, and I am back with a quick update on our around the world Happy Planner junk journal. Now this isn't that journal, we're making one as all of you will know. So for those of you that don't know, I am making an around the world travel junk journal, Happy Planner one, which has all of your input really. What we're doing is we're doing a project where I send out scraps of things to you, and then you send me some scraps back so I can make a journal like this. And we've already had some scraps back. We are doing a gorgeous around the world travel junk journal, and what it is I will be sending Gorgeous out to you to visit if I can find her, and then she will come back and she has got goodies. So Gorgeous has returned. She's already been to Cardiff, she has now been to Aylesbury, and she has actually beat her sisters back because we've sent two of her sisters out as well. So Gorgeous has returned with these goodies. Now Gorgeous went to visit a lovely lady called Lynn Tara, and this is what Lynn has kindly sent back. We did a video the other day where I showed you the goodies that I received from Jane, and later on today I'm going to start making the journal and putting some of these bits and pieces together. So let me show you what I received in the post today with my happy mail. So I received a gorgeous card. Look at this. This little piggy loves you. How adorable. I might be casing this, Lynn. I love it. I love it. And Lynn has just basically said that she has returned one little gorge. Hope this is the sort of stuff that you wanted. Now, Lynn is originally from Africa, so this has got an African input as well as from Aylesbury. So what I was saying to you all is, you know, when she comes to visit, if you can send something back that relates to you or where you live or whatever, so we can put some input into the journal. So Lynn Tara is originally from Africa. So look at these. Look how cute this is. Look at the giraffe and the baby giraffe with the Africa on it. Now my only thing with this, these are so beautiful, but the Happy Planner junk journal is slightly smaller. So I'm going to have to, I don't really want to cut this paper up. It is just gorgeous. So I'm going to have a think. Look at these elephants. Just so beautiful. Thank you so much, Lynn Tara. They are just, look, I love it. Love this African feel and look about those. Just beautiful. So there's Gorgeous. She's had a wonderful time. And we also have some tags for the journal. Look, Aylesbury duck. So cute. And another giraffe one. And then I have a little bag of goodies here. Let's have a look what we've got here to put into the junk journal. I am just trying to get my thoughts together now as to, I've already got an idea for Jane's pages, and I'll be showing you them later. So I've got some lovely lace and some cute little safety pins and little pegs and paper clips, some little layering shapes here, and a beautiful flower with a little pearl center. So these are just gorgeous. I'm super excited to get started and to start putting the journal together. So so happy, and Gorgeous will be on her way out again, and I don't know if I have my list here in front of me to tell you where she's going. Let me just pause it and I will tell you where Gorgeous is off to next. Right, okay, so let's have a look. Now we have Grace and Georgia are still away. One is visiting Alabama and one is visiting South Yorkshire. Now Gorgeous will be off to visit a lovely lady called Janet in Indiana. So she is super excited. She's going to have a day here with me and do all her washing and then get ready and pack to come to visit you, Janet. So if you're listening and you're listening to the video, she's super excited and she cannot wait. So this is just an update video, and like I said, I will be doing a video next, which will be the start of our junk journal. Super excited, cannot wait. If you'd like to take part in this junk journal, like I said, it's going to look somewhat like this, but it's going to be filled with the travels of the girls, and we are also clocking up the mileage, so I will tell you later how far Gorgeous has travelled so far. But if you'd like to take part, please email me at my email address, which is in the description below. Just email me your name and address and I shall put you on the list. We have 3 girls sort of relaying now, so it shouldn't be too long for you to wait for a visit. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you so much, Lynn Tara, for these goodies, as well Jane, if you're listening, thank you. I'm going to be doing a video next with some of your things, so keep watching. Look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye bye.